Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add progress bar in Notion. So first, start with table view. In order to add a progress bar, you will have to use a table view in Notion. So here you can add a property and it will be a number. And the first number, let's say, will be 50. So add a new property right now and it will be also a number. And the number will be 100. This is because this is 100% and this is half of it, just to demonstrate you the progress bar. Now, in order to add a progress bar, click on Add a Property and here select Formula. Now in Formula, just click on the formula and click on Edit Property and click on Edit Formula. Here, select the number 1 divided by number. Then press done and click on edit property again, select percent and select the bar right here. Now you should see that I have entered this the wrong way. It should be number divided by number 1, of course. And now you can see that it is 50% because 50 is 50% of 100. So if I enter, let's say 70, it will be 70%. So we can enter any number. So let's say from 1000, 70 from 1000 is 7%. So it is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.